G'day. Today I had a bit of a dip at a local sea pool in Sydney, my favourite one in fact. And if you're not from around here and not aware of what a sea pool is, it's pretty much what you saw in the intro. A pool built right into the coastline where you get all the benefits of a day at the beach without blue bottles, rips, currents and pesky sharks ruining a good time. Anyway, I've always wondered what life was like in those pools, if there was any life at all in fact. So I took the GoPro and went for a swim at my favourite local pool down here in Cronulla, and what I found was incredible. So much colour, so much life, even fish. So without further ado, here's my short video on the secret life of Sydney sea pools. Enjoy. So there you have it. As you can see, there's a lot going on beneath the surface, even in a pool. I hope you enjoyed my video, and if you did, like and subscribe, and even if you didn't, ridicule me in the comments below. So hopefully I get some more content up to you soon, and enjoy your day. Cheers!